Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Mood Ruby Ray palette. I've got a couple other giveaways going on as well, and I will put links for all of those in the description box down below. Make sure to check them out. I've got a really big one for my 300 subscriber that I just filmed and just got up. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 400, so help us get there. If you are new to FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle and beauty kind of mixture subscription box. So you get stuff for your house, stuff for beauty, makeup, skincare, all that sort of fun stuff, which I really love. It's $49 a quarter. They do have add-ons to those where you can add on different products, and I added on 2 products to this one, and I will show you those in just a minute. I also added on a mystery bundle, and I will put the link for that video in the description box down below. I do also have a code for FabFitFun. It's $10 off your first box, and I will put the link for that in the description box down below. It helps you out, it kind of helps me out a little bit. As well as I also have 3 starter boxes. And if you just want to leave your name and your email, the first 3 to do so, I will send the information off to FabFitFun. They will email you everything that you need to know. I think all you have to do is pay for shipping, and you get like a little mini box. So make sure to check that out. So let's check out the add-ons that I got for it. I do love that they always partner with a nonprofit, and for this season it is the City of Hope, and City Hope is amazing. They give to cancer research to, you know, hopefully that we can find a cure. I know that cancer's touched my family, and I'm sure it's touched most of yours as well. So when you do your add-on sale, you can get stuff that is amazingly discounted. We're talking 75% off. So one of the products that I picked up is the Rivera Roller Micro Exfoliating Roller System. And I do love, because, you know, especially for something like this, you want it to be super sanitized. And everything is in, you know, it was in the box, and then it's in this, and this is completely sealed. And then it's in this clear case, kind of to protect it, because obviously it is little tiny needles. And then here's what the product itself looks like. You know, you could do it lightly, or you can press a little deeper too. And what this does, it kind of helps break everything up, so those serums and those amazing stuff that you are putting on your face for your skincare, that it can really sink in. It's a really amazing product. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend getting one of these. So I have, it's normally combination skin, but it's the older I get, the more it's going on the drying side. So I also picked up by Revederm is the Reviva Gel Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cream Booster. It's an intense hydration for dry skin, lightweight and cooling gel cream, lotion, moisture for all day hydration. Can't wait to try this. So now let's dive into the box itself. There's a couple coupons in here. HelloFresh $80 gift card. There's always a magazine that talks about the different products in it. This has the beautiful Meghan Trainor on the cover, how she hopes to empower women. In here it also talks about each of the products as well. And then here's what the interior of the box looks like, and everything is neatly wrapped in tissue paper. So one of the things that I really like about FabFitFun is there is a ton of customizations, especially if you're an annual member where you pay for your membership for a full year up front. And it also saves you money by doing that too. It lowers the cost a little bit. So that's what I have done. So for the first customization, you could have done a plush ultra soft plaid scarf. an Anthropology Travel Yoga Mat, an Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler, a Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. Actually, I think I did get an email saying that they were, for whatever reason, weren't able to offer that this time. And then you could have also picked a mystery item that was retailed about $42. So what I picked, I think I first picked that whitening, and then I got the thing saying, oh, sorry, you know, we can't do the teeth whitening. So what I did pick is this super comfy Plush Stay Warm and Stylish Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf. It is super duper soft. This retails for $75 for a scarf. And nothing says fall like a cozy scarf, especially when it comes in a classic plaid print. And look how long this thing is, you guys. So it's about this wide. So it's not too wide, but look how long this is. Okay, you ready? I mean, this thing, how I normally wear scarves is I will fold them in half, bring it around, and then I will loop this, put the ends through the loop right here where you folded the scarf in half. That's it, and it's, you know, super long enough to do that. Love it. I think this is so soft and so cozy. Can't wait for the weather to turn a little bit cooler so I can use this. For choice number 2, you have the Kate Spade Lunch Tote, which is this guy here. You could have gotten the NassifMD Detox Pads. Do you guys ever watched Botched on E? There's a Dr. Nassif, and he's the one who started this brand, NassifMD. You could have gotten the cut from the cloth striped wallet, or the twine cheese board with plate. And I picked up the Dr. Nassif Detox Pads Complexion Perfecting Pads with alpha and beta hydroxide. Love that it had those ingredients in it. This does retail for $45, and just a few swipes of the cleansing pad deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. Need all the help I can get in that area. And there are 60 pads in here. For choice number 3, you could have got the Better SKIN&CO Lava Magik, the Bobble Bar Ear Crawlers, or the Cosmetic Pure C. And I chose the Better Skincare Lava Magik. It retails for $32, and what's kind of cool about it is it's a 3-in-1 cleanser. You can use it as a scrub, a cleanser, a mask. It is enriched with nutrient ingredients to give the skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try out different masks and let you know what I think about them, so be on the lookout for this one. For choice number 4, you could have gotten the Epair Dual Salt and Pepper Mill, the Afterspa Hair Towel Wrap, the Toutique Mini Essentials set of 4, and the Skin Evolve Body Booster Gel. And I chose the Afterspa hair towel. I cannot blow dry my hair or it goes crazier than what it is now. Even if I use a diffuser, it still gets pretty large and in charge. So I've never tried one of these hair towels, so I am anxious to try it and see how it works for me, since I have to air dry my hair. For choice number 5, like I said, they give you a lot of choices. Some of them are only available to members if you have that annual membership, and you get a little less choices if you just pay for it quarterly. So for choice number 5 is the Roma Therapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball, the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask 6-pack, or the SKIN&CO Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. And I chose the SKIN&CO Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. It retails for $30. And gentle enough for all skin types, this toner uses black, winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. If you guys are new to my channel, I have been on the hunt lately for a really good toner. I wanted one that had witch hazel instead of alcohol, and I just ran out of the other one that I was testing, so this one's gonna be put to use tonight. Everybody got in their box the AVEDA Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This retails for $30. It's infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from styling up to 450 degrees. I used to use AVEDA products all the time, and now I've been using a lot of Bumble and Bumble. I don't think I've used this one before, so we'll have to check this one out. Everybody also got in their box the Harper Already Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in a Juice Cleanser. Here's what these look like. They retail for $16, and these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Has a really familiar scent. I mean, obviously you can tell sugar. You know what this reminds me of are, I don't know if they're, it's a candy, and I think it's those licorice ones that are a little bit sour. That's what this kind of reminds me, the scent of anyway. Love it. I do like sugar as an exfoliator, because especially on the body, obviously your body's not as sensitive as your face is, and the sugar really dissolves really quickly, and so I do like using a sugar scrub for my body. Lastly is from Humankind, Body Soufflé. Lather yourself in soufflé. Blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. It retails for $18. I already have one of these open at my house. I don't want to open this one just yet, but it goes on really smooth. It dries down super quick. It has a really pleasant smell about it. Everybody got this as part of their box as well. So what were your guys' favorites? I mean, obviously this one will be in an upcoming video. This I'm going to use tonight. I thought the scarf was beautiful. Everything in this box I really, really liked. I think they stepped it up this month, even though that I know in the past there's been a higher box total. So the box total for this one was $264. Still not bad for thinking you only spent $49 for all of this stuff. What did you guys think? Did you guys pick, if you do get FabFitFun, did you guys pick out different stuff? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.